can draw this in Procreate using free brushes. Use monoline brush, draw a circle. Rearrange the position. And fill it with color. Now duplicate this circle. Drag the circle down. Now, draw a rectangular shape. Fill it with color and readjust the shape. Next, merge the layers by tapping on Merge Down. To learn more, hit subscribe button. Create a few hills and mountains, and filling them with color. Now you can rearrange and move them, it's very easy. Now, we use noise brush and add shadow on different hills with different colors. Now, we are going to draw clouds using the freehand selection tool, and create texture on top area. Again, using monoline brush, draw tree shapes. Fill them with color. Add light and dark shadow on trees. Now, we are going to draw a small house. Fill it with color and adjust the position. Create a roof. Add shadow. Draw a little gate. Draw a road. Adjust it. Fill it with color. Add a little texture. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to channel, it's easy way to support it.